Hey, Wagwan Tenement Yard peeps. Welcome back to a video. Now, listen, what's happening in Jamaica right now? It's very catastrophic. It's very sad. Melissa did a whole lot of damage. A whole lot of damage. People are now homeless. People are now, well, allegedly starving. You know, people lost their jobs, their homes. People from overseas cannot contact their families in Jamaica because, you know, there's no electricity. And I'm not talking about every parish in Jamaica, more like Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, St. Anne, you know. And what really saddens me is this article that came out that police probes mob attack in St. Anne. Now, what I really want to do is to also commend the public figures and artists that really stepped in to assist the persons who were literally affected by this hurricane. When I saw the public influencers, the artists, you know, it just really brought tears. Vibes Cartel helped, Spice, Ramesh Entertainment, the athletes, corporate bodies. It was just very, you know, emotional for me. Seeing a lot of people really came in and helped. And it shows how loving we are as Jamaican people. And then when you hear about the crimes, it really saddens me because we really can help each other up, you know? But listen up, y'all. The Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, is getting a whole lot of backlash, and we're going to chime in on that. Because now this is what people are saying, guys. I'm reporting what the public is saying. Don't come for me, y'all, okay? The public is saying, how comes public figures, artists, and, you know, a lot of locals really helping more than the government? Now, guys, we all can agree to disagree. Please educate one another, including myself, in the comment section, okay? Now, I do understand that, you know, being the prime minister of a country or a president is a lot. It's a lot of peer pressure when something drastic happens to your country. It is a lot. Jamaica has received a lot of money, honey. Hurricane relief money. Jesus, Jamaica rich. I'm just saying. The amount of money that we got, guys, it is a lot. But is it a lot to basically fix all those homes? You know, supply food and all those materials that people need. Is the money enough? We're not even going to go into the amount of money that Jamaica got, but it's a lot, okay? But the real question is, guys, is it a lot to really help those victims back on their feet? Especially fixing their homes. Some of these houses were sunk underwater, guys. The water, like literally. I heard people have to be swimming in their neighborhood to get to point A from point B. You know, you have grandparents who would be like, gone are those days when I used to fill up water at the standpipe. But honey, we're back to those days because people are now using paddle boats to travel in the community because there's a lot of flood. Literally, the people that must swim in the water. And another situation that really made me cry is when there were some guys on a little paddle boat, and there was this guy on top of his roof trying not to like go in the water because, of course, the water literally covered half of the house. So he had to stay on top of the roof, of course, to be safe. And they were like paddling the boat to go save him. And guys, tears came to my eyes, bro, because as Jamaican women, we are naturally, immune to men being strong, right? But now seeing a man who's hopeless on top of the roof You know, I'm thinking, hey, that could have been my dad, that could have been my grandpa, that could have been my male friend, that could have been my partner. You know, I'm thinking so many things. That's someone's dad. But I'm just so happy to see the man who really went out and rescued him, and it really made me tearful. But guys, like, be for real, like, is the government going to do something? Like, I know they're working on it, but that's the question everybody is asking. Like, people complaining about their hungry bellies, people complaining about not having a roof, people lost their jobs, people can't talk to them family, things are going, people now are mob, people are thief, things, barrel come, budget say everything gone, allegedly everything gone. I loved how Daryl Voss handled that situation. Listen, I thought that man could not talk, but after hearing him, I was like, okay, he's still here. He is still here, okay? But guys, I just really hope people will hear from their families soon. The government will finally come in and, you know, deploy some stuff to help the people them, and I just want to see Jamaica up again. Like, listen up, y'all. People be saying, oh, we can't even go to the resorts anymore. Y'all should not. I'm not saying people should not enjoy themselves, but be for real. Y'all think about resorts in these times. Like, you know, if y'all look at money, please, guys, please contribute the money to the people that will get affected. Okay? But I love how Nicki Minaj come out too. Nicki Minaj come out, sking on the wall of them and help the people them. I loved it so much. Loved it. But guys, I want to hear from you. I want to know what y'all think. It's been a while. I haven't made a video. I'm going to be very consistent now because I know you guys were so mad at me before. But guys, let me know what y'all think. And let me know what y'all think the government is planning and how they plan to help these people. Comment below, like this video. Click on the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever we drop videos. And I'm not politically affiliated with any party, but I'm just saying, you know, I'm not picking no sides. But I wanted to know, like, why do y'all always drag Andrew Holness or blame him for everything? Like, hey, Jamaica had a flood. Oh, well, Andrew do it. Hey, the rain is falling. Oh, well, Andrew caused it. Hey, you know, I'm broke. Andrew do it. Like, yo, I think this a man. I think he needs a vacation. Y'all blame Andrew Holness for every single thing. It is so funny. Like, there was this video on TikTok and someone was like making a video talking about, oh, they can't find, I think they can't find something in their house. And someone said, who's going to tell her that Andrew Holness did it? I was like, oh my God. Oh my God. But guys, let me know what I think in the comment section. Big up on yourself and later my tenement yard peeps.